Good morning, parents. Here's a long-awaited video about our gingerbread man take-home project. And what you'll do, here's pictures of examples. I posted this on Dojo. Is you will, when you get your gingerbread man home, you cut it out. If you don't have scissors at home you want to use to cut it out, that's fine. Just decorate it, send it back, and I'll cut it out for them. But you're going to decorate, like here's this one. She decorated it like a little girl. Here's one that decorated as a Santa Claus. I've had one sent back that has moved my camera. There we go. That has decorated as a construction man. I have one that's decorated as an elf. Um, so, and then they send, as you see on the, see there again, the sheet that comes with it, and you just write um, why you chose that, and Havens, it says our family really loves blue and it's Haven's favorite. We had a lot of fun on Haley's, and she did hers as the elf. She said we dressed our gingerbread man like an elf because it's Christmas time and he's going to see who's naughty or nice. And Isaiah says, run, run as fast as you can. I'm the construction man. I love that. Construction worker, Isaiah likes to repair things and take toys apart and put them back together. He loves to help his papa and dad fix things, especially vehicles. So that's why he did that. We have one that is decorated with cotton and colorful puffballs, and looks like a snowman. So, and we have one that's color, just that they colored it and drew beautiful buttons, but they did pants. And so it looks like a person instead of looking like a gingerbread man, so he can get away. So just as you can go as big or as simple. It doesn't matter. It's really all about you and your kiddos having fun and hanging out together and playing and talking while you're doing this, because that's the whole point, so that you can spend some time with your little one and talking. It's funny the things that they can come up with in their fun conversations when these kinds of things are done. I hope this helps, and I can't wait to see more gingerbread man come back.